Morning students, we have discussed the question part of exercise part of the chapter the black aeroplane. Today we will do thinking about the language. We already have read about the different meanings of word black according to the context and according to the usage of this word in sentences. So now we will do the exercise part of it. Now try to guess the meanings of word black in the sentences given below. Check the meaning in the dictionary and find out what you have guessed right. So go and have a bath. Your hands and face are absolutely black. So obviously, what do you mean by black means dirty here. So that's why we take a bath. If we feel dirty, we are dirty. Okay, so your hands and face are absolutely black means dirty. Next is, the taxi driver gave Ratan a black look as he crossed the road when traffic light was green. So what happened? When traffic light was green, then the taxi driver gave a black look. Here black means angry look. Why? Because traffic lights are green. That means that those vehicles can run on the street. So that is why this Ratan driver, he gave a black or an angry look to the passenger who was walking on the street. The bombardment of Hiroshima is one of the blackest crimes against humanity. It is one of the heinous crime. Heinous means very cruel crime. So here blackest means heinous, very merciless crime which was done by those who have bombarded those bombs on Hiroshima and Nagasaki. Next is, very few people enjoyed Harold Pinter's black comedy. Here black comedy is a type of a comedy which means dark comedy which is very absurd, which is very satirical, that is called black comedy here. So here black means dark comedy. Sometimes shopkeepers store essential goods to create false scarcity and then sell them in black. So what do you mean by black here? Obviously illegal. For example, sometimes we have seen many of people outside of the cinema, they just sell those tickets in black. So that black means illegal. So here that black is also means illegal. They store some of the essential goods in black and they sell them when they just say that there is just a scarcity of some product. For example, you can say that nowadays there is a scarcity of so many of the things because of lockdown or because of unlock, but it is not still total unlock. So there are so many of the scarcities of many of the things. So what those do as shopkeepers, they just store those things and then when there is a scarcity, they just sell them in black illegally. They just sell them illegally. It means villagers had beaten the criminal black and blue. Here black and blue means mercilessly. They just beat that criminal mercilessly without showing any mercy towards him. Then come to the second part. Look at these sentences taken from the lesson you have just read. I was flying my old Dakota aeroplane. The young seagull had been afraid to fly with them. In the first sentence, the author was controlling an aircraft in the air. And another example is, children are flying kites. In the second sentence, the seagull was afraid to move through the air using its wings. Match the phrases given under column A with their meanings given under column B. So first is fly a flag. So what it can be? Move quickly, be successful, display a flag on a long pole, escape from a plane, become suddenly very angry. So just match. One first is fly a flag. Fly a flag means here display a flag on a long pole. Okay. And then fly into rage. What do you mean by fly into rage? It means that become suddenly very angry. Rage means anger. Fly along. Fly along here means fly. Escape from a place. To escape from place. That is called fly along. Fly high means be successful. Okay. Fly the coop. It means move quickly or suddenly. That is called fly the coop. So these are the meanings here and these are the phrases. So we have just matched the meanings with the phrases. We know that the word fly of birds and insects means to move through air using wings. Pick the words which have the same or nearly the same meaning. So there are the words given here. So you have to pick those words which are very near to the meaning fly, which means the flight of birds and insects. They use air and wings to fly. So it means swoop. Swoop is there. Paddle is there. Flutter, skim, float, ascend, and dart, spring, it is sail, No, sail is not a word. And flap, you can say glide. Okay, these are the words. Hover, hover is also the word. So these words which I have ticked here, these are almost the same to the meaning of fly, fly of insects or the birds. Okay, so that's all for today, and the exercise part of this chapter we have done. So do these questions especially in your copy. If you really want to do them, it is upon you if you want to do them, but these questions are very important and you have to do all of them in your notebooks, and do them as if you are writing these questions for your final exams. If you're writing it in your own words, that will be more helpful for you.